150 families in North Mekeo in the Kairuku-Hiri district of Central Province under the Olibe Agriculture Association will use a landmass of 1,800 hectares for farming activities. This project started in June last year after being motivated by Prime Minister's speech encouraging people to go back to the land and make gardens for their family needs. This next piece highlights the activities of Olibe Agriculture Association to date and their project launch in August. The Olibe Agriculture Association was registered with Investment Promotion Authority or IPA in February this year. Chairman of the Olibe Agriculture Association, Kenso Beko, says they formed this association to bring change into North Mekeo through agriculture.
So many years, we especially North Mekeos, we only live by business and mustard. And so long, nothing good have been happened. So all the way, as myself, me one time, all brothers below me, we were 12 inside of family, one father and one mother. So me savos me plak inaplo making 1 plus something. So me plan long come up in agriculture. So that's where me play asking all clan members to come inside. Now me play for me this agriculture association. Sorry.
The project manager of Olibe Agriculture Association, Mark Akipe, says the association is not only into agricultural activities but into other activities as well.
We also doing forestry. So our people have planted about 5 to 6 hectares of forest, thick trees rather. And then we're also into fisheries too. We've dug about 12, 13 fish ponds, and we actually don't have fish in there, but we are looking for fish to grow them in there. And we also have livestock. We're also looking at livestock. We've got nice grasses and rivers there. It's easy for sheep and goats, but I think it's going to be a bit hard for transporting cows up the river.
With the central provincial government's vision of one crop, one vision, the villages under Olibe Association already started planting rice, bananas, cocoa, and are keen to plant vanilla as well. As a way forward for the association, 7 officers from the Department of Agriculture and Livestock visited Olibe village in June and did soil testing and conducted seminars including workshops on how to grow crops and raise livestock. After the session, the village farmers say they can grow crops and raise farm animals, but their only concern is the market for their produce.
What they told us was for the first 2, 3 or 4, 5 years, you plant these crops and then you consume them like rice. You don't have to sell them. You eat it yourself. Okay, have it for your meals. And then so as bananas. But they said in the next 2 years or 3 years, when production is big, we can come to the city and look for markets here, sign some agreements with companies like City Pharmacy or the hotels. And then they were also telling us about big projects coming up along Gulf Province, the Papua LNG. We also look at supplying vegetables, fruits, vegetables plus livestock over there.
Going into farming now, the Olibe villages are hopeful that agriculture will help bring change into North Mekeo.
Mipla like working some project in cello area blow me plan or picking blow me plan or my school good. You by looking most North Mekeo area, one pla picking come up doctor, one pla pilot or come up all one plus 7 man no kat. Mi stop him. That's why when no jina maleba mi like him. This project must come up. Na o pikini mas benefit lo this lana. Come good educated or this kind.
The Olibe Agriculture Association will officially launch their agricultural projects next month.